Today I'm going to be reviewing the Himalayan Charcoal Purifying Glow Mask from The Body Shop. I normally show more emotion than this. So right here I have the Himalayan Charcoal Purifying Glow Mask from The Body Shop. And this is a product that I've used in the past, but I just got a new one, so I figured I would do this video for you. Now, I really like the smell of this, first of all. It smells like a sort of tea tree oil, that sort of smell. Wait. It's green tea leaves and bamboo charcoal and community trade tea tree oil, which gives it that smell. Now, the best thing about it is it actually works to leave me with healthier skin and unclog my pores. I'm going to just talk about it now, and then in a second I'm going to show you how I apply it. So for men or women, you can use this 2 to 3 times a week and it will give your skin a healthier glow. That's the idea. It unclogs your pores, releases impurities and toxins. It's very effective at absorbing excess oil from your skin. And when you apply it, you can actually feel it working its magic because it does slightly tingle. I'm going to show you right now. Here we go. Time to apply. It does smell really nice. That's one of the things I like about it. Right, and then that's it. You leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. So all in all, I think it's really good. I can feel it working, I can feel it tingling. I like it, and I think more guys are starting to do skincare routines and take care of their faces properly, and that's why I'm using it. Yeah, check it out. Now I think I need to go take this off before I do my next unrelated review video. Or maybe not. If it's army related, I'll be fine.